हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल पीआर नॉलेज सेंटर। आप लोग का स्वागत है मेरे चैनल पे। तो आज मैं लाई हूँ विजन आईएएस का सितंबर मंथ का करंट अफेयर, जिसमें हम एथिक्स एंड स्कीम करेंगे। इसके पहले मैं आपको दिखा दूं तो सारे सब्जेक्ट के करवाए गए हैं, जैसे कि इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस, इकोनॉमी, सोशल इश्यूज, कल्चर और स्कीम भी करवाई जा रही है। तो ये सारी चीज़ें आप करिए। तो आज हम करवाएंगे एथिक्स एंड स्कीम। तो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है ये। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। स्टार्ट करने से पहले एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। 1 मिनट। तो ठीक है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं लेक्चर नंबर 20। लेक्चर नंबर ये जो भी है, ये लास्ट है आपका। इसके बाद सितंबर मंथ का कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। सारे के सारे प्लेलिस्ट मिल जाएगा आपको। अक्टूबर का करवाया गया है और सितंबर का हो चुका है कम्प्लीटली। इसके बाद हम कराएंगे नवंबर का। अगर आ गया, अभी तो नवंबर का नहीं दिखा, अगर आ जाएगा तो भी करवा देंगे। और पीछे जाते हुए हम पूरा करवाएंगे आपको 1 साल का पूरा। और साथ ही साथ जो भी टेस्ट है वो भी करवाए जा रहे हैं। आप चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करिए और लुत्फ उठाइए। और अगर आप आर ओ ए आर ओ की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो बता दूं कि आर ओ ए आर ओ के लिए भी टेस्ट और घटना चक्र और बहुत सारी चीज़ें करवाई जा रही हैं। तो ज्वाइन करिए हमारे चैनल को। और एनसीईआरटी वगैरह सब कुछ करवाया जा रहा है, सबको एंजॉय करिए। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो एथिक्स में है पहला न्यूज जो है वो है कंज्यूमरिज्म का। तो इंट्रोडक्शन। इन द लास्ट फ्यू डिकेड्स it has been noticed that tendency of the consumerism has been rising among people. This tendency was more prevalent in the West, but now developing countries like India have come under this grip. This has manifested in people running behind multiple gadgets, luxury accessories, etc., which they might not need but they desire. To be content with little is difficult, to be content with much impossible. मैरी वॉन इब्नर इकेनबेंच ने कहा ये। तो कंज्यूमरिज्म इज द आइडिया ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग द कंजप्शन ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विस। मतलब कंज्यूमरिज्म क्या है, एक आइडिया है जिसके द्वारा कंजप्शन और गुड वगैरह, मतलब कंजप्शन बढ़ाया जाता, किया ज्यादा से ज्यादा किया जाता है किसका, परचेज करने में, गुड एंड सर्विस का। In market, it always desirable goals, and that person's well-being and happiness depend upon fundamental on obtaining consumer goods and material possessions. Consumerism is the ideology of where consumers are motivated and manipulated to buy something even if they don't really need. मतलब जो जरूरत नहीं होती उसको भी वो खरीदते हैं बिकॉज उनकी डिजायर बन जाती है वो चीजें। इट इज मेनली डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द लाइफ स्टाइल ऑब्सेशन इंस्टेड ऑफ द नेसेसिटी। मतलब लाइफ स्टाइल का एक पर्सन बन जाता है, जबकि ये जरूरी नहीं होता है। फॉर इंस्टेंस रिप्लेसिंग परफेक्टली वर्किंग मोबाइल फोन्स और लैपटॉप बिकॉज ऑफ न्यू मॉडल इज लॉन्च्ड। It is based on the assumption possession of the material wealth and things may make a person happy and satisfied. In present scenario, it used to tool to show off on सब wealth और status। मतलब ये शो ऑफ का तरीका कि आईफोन 15 ले लो, काम कुछ काम न धाम का। आजकल के टीनेजर्स भी आईफोन लेके घूम रहे हैं, ना काम का न धाम का, फालतू का शो ऑफ करने के लिए। दिस वाज कॉल्ड conspicuous consumption by Thurstein Veblen, 19th century economist and sociologist. As per economics, it strengthens the economy by increasing demand and production, while on the other hand, it harms society and environment. Consumerism is derived by the four factors. पहला है advertising. The first deriving force of the consumption is advertising, a vast industry dedicated to power of the persuasion। मतलब वो आपके दिमाग को परसुएट कर देते हैं ताकि एडवर्टाइजमेंट के थ्रू, ताकि आप चीज खरीदें। डेब्ट क्या होता है, क्रेडिट कार्ड, स्टोर कार्ड, पे पे डे लोन्स एंड बाय नाउ पे लेटर, ये सब जो स्कीम होती है ये भी इन सब चीज़ों को खरीदने में आपको दिमाग को प्रोसीड करवाती हैं। और डेब्ट जैसे क्रेडिट कार्ड पे मिल जाता है ना। और ऑब्सोलेसेंस क्या है? दिस टाइम दैट द रियलाइजेशन बाय द कैपिटलिज्म दैट life cycle of the product could be planned and managed. More tendency to have more than one, for instance, three cars for one house rather than one car per household. मतलब एक कार वाले चार पांच कार रख लेते हैं, मतलब एक हाउस वाले। दैट इज द टाइप्स ऑफ कंज्यूमरिज्म। तो ये है कि स्टॉक होल्डर और इंटरेस्ट है। कंज्यूमर जैसे है, कंज्यूमर ऑलवेज होप्स दैट बेस्ट लेटेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स एंड सर्विस they expect, and product owner will always their true information about the product. The advertising which manipulate that should be avoided. And brand की बात करें, their main objective to enhance their profit and increase the market share in their product. And advertising companies, they work according to the demand of the brand, don't consider much about the interest of the consumer. And अगला है government authorities, their motive to ensure the welfare of the both consumer and companies. They regulate market activities, why, but they can't control the consumerism when it is done through legal means. Environment resources should be utilized in the suitable manner so that it does not cause negative externalities on the environment such as pollution. Ethical values undermined by the consumerism. इसमें ethical values कहाँ से आ जाएंगे? तो promote the undesirable means. In order to achieve end, both consumer and brands can resort to means which is not ethically correct. For instance, advertisement, beauty and cosmetic service product claim that product will change users life. एंड सबऑर्डिनेट कंसाइजनेस क्या होता है? कंसियसनेस। तो इन कंज्यूमरिज्म, person just think about buying product and creating the collections in their race lost this consciousness, that is awareness of the one's the thought and feeling. Their resist them from taking right decision. The example doing shopping for their social media upload etc. आजकल सोशल मीडिया पे अपना दिखाने के लिए फालतू फालतू का शॉपिंग करते रहते हैं और शो ऑफ करते रहते हैं। ये तो भैया ट्रेंडिंग में चल रहा है, आप लोग भी जानते होंगे। Equity and equality. It has been found that the society which are deriving consumerism has have huge disparities. Some people live a lavish life while other basic needs are not fulfilled. It undermines the effort of the social justice, fair division of the resources and opportunities and privileges, while violates basic tenets and society. Most of the religion society propagates the satisfaction will bring inner solace. However, tendencies like the consumerism are against it. It also includes the loss of traditional culture and values that declines the altruism and the community and derives satisfaction. Consumerism ultimately creates the selfish society in which the people just think about their need. Example, many people spend lakhs on clothes. Their amount can be utilized to support education for poor children and violates the environment ethics and increase the demand of natural, increasing the production in turn, leading to change the land use, threaten biodiversity and generation of more waste and emission of the pollutant. For instance, of the fashion industry, skin different animal is used to make leather product. This has been this has pushed certain species on the verge of extinctions. Also, in changing mobile phones every year leads to generate more e-waste. Society and consumption. Special domain a society with limited consumption, consumerism, and society with hyper consumerism. Disparity social justice is upheld, and certain section of the society own more resources than they actually need. Humanity, people cherish pupils of the humanity, and humanity is being replaced by the selfishness. And environment, people follow the lifestyle in which adequate care of the environment is taken, and pollution, resource, and depletion are being witnessed. Sorry, psychologically health, people are the psychologically fit. Stress, anxiety, and insecurity and depression are the common among people. Striking a balance between the need and desires. Adopting ethical consumerism, it promotes the practice of the purchasing product and service. It is way that minimize the negative and impact of social and environmental consequences. Moral and consumer education. This subject need to be part of the curriculum at our level of education. Finally, financial literacy program need to be covered. Promoting corporate responsibility. Corporates should adopt the stockholder capitalism instead of the shareholder capitalism. Stockholder capitalism proposes the corporation should serve the interest of their stockholder and not just shareholders. Curtailing advertisement influences, regulating the authorities like the Advertising Standard Council of India should keep eye on the advertisement with which try to manipulate consumer. Setting up role models. Celebrities, influencers should become role model other by practicing responsible consumption and making sustainable choice. Effort by the government authorities, it can be controlled by the imposing taxes on luxury goods and giving the incentives for the sustainable practice. More impetus should be given in initiative like lifestyle for environment and effort for the civil society organization. Voluntary of the civil society organization can carry awareness derived to combat consumerism and promote the sustainable living. Conclusion क्या निकलते consumerism is a never-ending chase. Pause, reflect, and make a conscious choice. It's prioritize what truly enriches our lives rather than simply fills our spaces. It's time to consume with the intention rather than just to seek attention. Check your ethical aptitude. Vijay is rising the social media influencer and company X has hired him to advertise their newly launched cosmetic product. Companies are view of the buying using influencer they will promote the consumerism in the society, for they have paid the good amount. Also, the will play key role in changing their career. Later, Vijay comes out to know the product is not much effective as it was claimed in the advertisement. He thinks to take legal action against the company, but his well-wisher suggest him to drop this idea of legal action as it may be harm his career. On the basis of case study, answer the following question. Examine the ethical dilemma involved in this case. What are the options available with Vijay to cope and with this situation? What ethical responsibilities does disabilities and influencer have be prevented spread consumptions? एथिकल एंड मीडिया ट्रायल इसमें बताया गया कि एक विजय जो है एक सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर है उसके पास एक कंपनी एक मैसेज करती है हायर करती है कि मेरे प्रोडक्ट को आप एडवर्टाइज करो लेकिन विजय को पता चलता है कि वह प्रोडक्ट जो है ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव नहीं है और वो उसके खिलाफ लीगल एक्शन लेना चाहता है लेकिन उसके कुछ जो सजेस्टेड एडवाइजर है उनको सजेस्ट करते हैं कि ऐसा करने से उनके करियर को नुकसान पहुंच सकता है तो उसमें विजय क्या कर सकता है मतलब वो एथिकल डिलेमा में कौन-कौन से उसको फेस करना पड़ रहा है और उसके पास कौन से ऑप्शन है कि अदर सिचुएशन को हैंडल करने के लिए और उसके पास एथिकल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या होती है सेलिब्रिटीज की बताना है तो एथिकल ethics of media trials in the present time the media has clothed itself to power of the investigation and trial and ultimately branding him her as a criminal even before our courts of law had delivered a judgment. In this context of the Supreme Court directed the Union government to prepare the guideline on how the police should brief the media about the ongoing investigation in order to prevent media trials. What is media trials? It is generated considered as the process in which media publishes their own version of facts and newspaper, news website and news channels in order to sensationalize the case. The function of the media is seen as the invasion of the domain and judiciary conducting indirect trials and parallel with the court. In some cases, it helps be noticed the irresponsible media briefing by the police officer during the ongoing investigation enable the process of the media trials. Examples statement made by the accused under the section 161 before the police and 164 before a judicial magistrate of the criminal procedure code were released to media. This is the key stockholder and their interest. Judicial free trials is the foundation of the justice. Anything which may make judges biased toward the accused should be avoided. Accused family members, the accused expect that the media will show things without fabricating fact and figure. Victim family member expect expect that their identity, personal information will not be revealed by the media. Also, they hope the media will help the getting justice and witness the protection and safety of the witness and crucial in the entire justice ecosystem. Their stake lies in the media not disclosing their identity. Media reporting the truth, acting as fourth pillar of the democracy, and managing the commercial angle, unconnected popularity and viewership. Individual, the general public, except of the social significant issues, are given priority and honesty reported by the media without bias, prejudice, and any vested interest. Key ethical issues: credibility and justice ecosystem, and undermine the right to air trial. Article 21 of the Constitution of India guarantees everyone that right is a fair trial, part of the right to life and liberty, and threatened right to privacy. The run by the person and information for the accused and victim is revealed, which can negatively affect the public image of the individual. Example: Sushant Singh Rajput case. Undermine the media ethics. It violates key principles on media ethics and truth and accountability. It goes against their ideas and responsible of journalism. Challenges by controlling media trials. Ineffective and self-regulation of media in India. Organizations like News Broadcasting and Digital Standards Authority and Broadcasting Content Complaint Council have been set up as the internal self-regulatory mechanism for the television, news, and entertainment respectively. The mechanism has not been very effective and sends bodies to take statutory backing. Balancing between the freedom of media and media trials under Article 19 Constitution, media play enjoy freedom and expression, but it is at times misused with the engaging the media trials. Also, for regulating the agencies, it becomes difficult to decide the constitute to media trials as the is no clear definition of guideline. Example cases of investigation journalism. Rise of social media. With the rise in internet penetration, social media has emerged as a new platform media trials. Example sharing sensationalized or fake post alter public opinion. Way forward finance finding the right balance, creating a balance between the right of the accused and media. And in Sahara, India Real Estate Corporation versus SEBI 2012, the Supreme Court highlighted the need of the delicate balance between the right and accused and media's rights is report promoting the self-regulation mechanism. Organizations like Broadcasting and Digital Standard Authority should create the comprehensive guidelines, especially for the sensitive case such as national security issues like reporting of 2611 attack. Authenticity media should reveal the fact figure only after scrutinized their authenticity. And conclusion, although the right to freedom press flow the Article 19 of the Constitution, it is a morally duty of the media so the truth and transparent objective manner to prevent the right to life under the Article 21 of citizens. Also, in the context of the Supreme Court directive of the media briefing, certain global best practice of the various police departments across the globe, New York, London, etc., having the handbook dealing with media relation and serve as good examples. The related news, self-regulation news in channels, you can read now this. And next is schema in news. Atmanirbhar Bharat Rozgar Yojana. Recently, Atmanirbhar Bharat Rozgar Yojana has surprised its initial employment and generation goal leading to job creation. Objective to incentive the employers to creating new employment along with social security benefits and restoration of lost of the employment during the COVID-19 pandemic reduce the financial burden of employees various sector industry including MSME to encourage them hire more workers. It is being implemented through the employee providing fund organization. ABRY commenced October 1, 2012 to register open until the 13 2020 government the benefits shall be available for a period of the 24 wages month from the date of the registration. The new employee by the employer of the eligible establishment. The number of employees with the universal account number whose employer has remitted contribution through ECR filed of the wage and month of September 2020 up to due date shall be taken as the preference based on employee eligible criteria for establishment. Establishment already registered before the commencement of the scheme shall have employee over above the reference base. In minimum of two new employee if the reference base employee is less than equal to 50. Minimum few new employee there is reference to employee in more than 50. For few new stabilized employee, you can read now this all thing. Place in news in India. Surat, Gujarat, first large indigenous 700 megawatt Kakra Par nuclear power plant. Sorry. Start working Gujarat और एक पुराना किला दिल्ली. Latest excavation on the indicate that elite class of the citizens were staying there. And Jorhat, Assam, ये है primatologists have suggested the rerouting at 1.65 km long railway track that passes through the Holonga per Gibbon Sanctuary. Bhoj Wetland, Madhya Pradesh National Green Tribunal has banned the operation of cruise boat in Upper Lake in Bhopal and other wetland sites. And Nadu Gani, Nilgiri, Tamil Nadu lion trail macaques are spotted on forest and Nadugani, Nilgiri is Tamil Nadu. Coal wetland Kerala, coal wetland face the threat of alien plant and Shivamoga, Karnataka. A rare sighting of Asiatic wild dog Dhole was encountered. And Mumbai, Maharashtra, first case of the Zika virus has been reported in Mumbai, Maharashtra. And place in news in world. वर्ल्ड की बात हो रही है भैया. So this is Morocco. Morocco has experienced an earthquake in 6.8 magnitude with its epicenter near the Marrakech and Eritrea. Eritrea Defense Force illegally community war crime and possible crime against humanity in Tigray. In Ukraine, missile exploration in the Kostyantynivka city. And नेक्स्ट है हवाई यूएस किलाउआ क्या है किलिवा किलवी volcano has erupted and Mexico Supreme Court ruled the state has prohibited abortion of unconstitutional and violates human rights. And Burkina Faso military junta expels French defense attacks due to the service behavior. And Gabon is military officer declared coup after the president win disputed election. Sudan, United Nations High Commission for Refugees. And Zimbabwe, current president were re-elected in their recently concluded election. And Kenya, the first Africa Climate Summit 2023 in the Nairobi. And Vanuatu. Political crises have been witnessed in Vanuatu. And Timor-Leste, India has announced the opening of an embassy in the capital city, Delhi. Uganda, 48 African countries adopt the Kampala Ministerial Declaration of the Migration, Environment and Climate Change, and Armenia, MOU with India on the cooperation in the sharing of successful digital situation, and Ukraine missile exploration in Kostyantynivka city. And Morocco हो गया सब. लीबिया ईस्टर्न पोर्ट सिटी Dana suffered massive flood damage. This is the world news. And a personality in news. ये हैं श्रीमंत शंकर देवा in 1449 to 1568. About he was the Vaishnav Sant, scholar, playwright, and social religious reformer. Born in 1949, propagated by the Vaishnavism called the एक शरण हरि नाम धर्म और considered Lord Krishna to be one eternal and absolute. His religious system was strictly monotheistic and poetic work कीर्तन घोषा, हरिश्चंद्र उप उप क्या है उपाख्याना और ये है कुरुक्षेत्र यात्रा etc. Contribution foundation of the Ankiyaनाथ traditional Assamese one act play and Borgits Bohanos and Shastri dance classical Indian dance form began the practice of setting up the namghars of house of recitation and prayers. Visual art है सप्ता, वैकुंठा and वृंदावनी वस्त्र etc. Ethical values exhibited by the personality, social consciousness and humanism. He he क्या है spearheaded the bhakti movement that influenced the spiritual and social life for the Northeast. His teaching imbibed his followers with virtues of equality, tolerance and truthfulness and love for humanity. अगला है श्री नारायण गुरु 1856 से 1928 पीएम पेड tribute to Sri Narayan Guru on his Jayanti. He was Hindu son, social reformer for Kerala. He propagated India's of one caste, one religion, one God. Contribution he along with the Padmanabhan Palpu and founded the Sri Narayan Dharma Paripalan Yogan and for the upliftment and education for the Ijhawa community. He launched Arvi Puram movement, one of the first movement of the equal right to temple entry. He lent support to Bekom Satyagraha for temple entry 1924 to 25 in Travanniyar. His works include the Daiva Daksham and Anukam Padasakam और है egalitarianism and pluralism. He overturned the social system of entire Kerala while following system means of the ethical writing and social mobilization. He played a significant role in the reforming the society and asserting the pluralist view with equality and liberty. And next है मोक्ष गुंदम गुंदन गुंदम है मोक्ष गुंदम व सरया engineer day September 15 is observed every year celebrated birth university of Visvesvaraya and contributions by the Bangalore Agriculture University Visvesvaraya College of Engineering. He was the architect of the Krishnaraja Sagar Dam in Mysore and devised steel door to stop the wasteful flow water in dams and developed the various irrigation system. Award Bharat Ratna 1965. He was एक मिनट
अगले हैं सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन. ही वॉज द फर्स्ट वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द इंडिया. हिज बर्थ एनिवर्सरी इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन टीचर्स डे. कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इंडियन फिलोसफी टू वेस्ट वर्ल्ड. Participate in the Andhra Mahasabha and nominated to the League of Nations Committee for the Intellectual Cooperation in 1931. Acted as the representative of India in UNESCO from 1946 to 52. Books authored: The Philosophy of Rabindranath Tagore, Indian Philosophy, The Philosophy of the Upanishads, etc. Achievement: Bharat Ratna 1954, Peace Prize in the German Book Trade in 1916, appointed knight. Leadership and scholar. He introduced the thinking of the Western idealist philosopher into Indian thought. He placed Indian philosophy on world map. He was an educator who made significant contribution to the education. He reported the University Education Commission 1940 to 49 is greatest contribution to educational thinking and practice. अगला है मालती मैम आका मांगरी औरंग. शी वॉज remembered as the first woman martyrs of Assam in Indian freedom struggle. She was one of the leading members of the anti-opium campaign. in tea gardens of Assam. In 1931, she was killed for leading a fight against foreign liquor and opium pushed during the colonial period. Courage and integrity, she stood up against the oppressive um, colonial system, and especially in the fight against the foreign liquor and opium. She stood him for in his belief and action even in the face of the adversity. मेजर ध्यानचंद 29 अगस्त 1989 नेशनल स्पोर्ट डे was the recently celebrated in India 29 August. And contribution, India field hockey player contributed majorly in the victory of the Indian team in 1928 Olympics when India won its first gold medal hockey. In 1934, he was made the captain of the Indian team, conferred the Padma Bhushan in 1956. Perfection of the mastery, his control over ball and goal scoring during the game over the considered as the magical and believable. Next is Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay 1916 to 1968. Born in Uttar Pradesh, he was the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh thinker and co-founder of the Bharatiya Janata Sangh. Leader adoption Swadeshi economic policies based on the cultural, civilizational and nationalist values, philosophy, integral humanism and ekatma manavad, a non-dualistic philosophy of the Advaita Vedanta. And contribution, in the 1940s he started the monthly Rashtra Dharma publication, started weekly magazine and Panchjanya and Daily Swadesh book. He authored Samrat Chandragupta, Jagat Guru, Shankaracharya, अखंड भारत क्यों, राष्ट्रीय चेतन, etc. Integral humanitarian and social reform. He is the best reform remembered for his principle of integral humanism, which has been defined as the classless, casteless, and conflict-free social order. He believed in the idea of the democracy and a volunteer worked for social upliftment for suppressed class of people. तो हो चुका ये करंट अफेयर यहीं पर खत्म होता है। तो कैसा लगा आपको ये वीडियो बताइएगा जरूर। अगर वीडियो पसंद आता है लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक जय हिंद।